Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the equations of motion, graphical method. The two equations we have verified. Now the third one is the velocity attained after traveling a distance s, or the question is like that: using velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion of a body, prove that v square minus u square is equal to s. That means you have to prove this equation: v square minus u square is equal to s. Here's a velocity time graph. As dear students, we know the distance traveled by the body in time t is equal to the area under the velocity time graph, or the velocity time curve. That means the distance traveled in time t is equal to the area under the velocity time curve or velocity time graph. That means the distance traveled by the body during the time interval t is given by, here s is the distance traveled, is the area under velocity time graph. That means how much is the area? That is the area OABD. Now this figure OABD is a trapezium, so we will write S is equal to area of trapezium OABD. Now dear students, as you know, the area of trapezium is given by 1/2 of sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between these parallel sides, into perpendicular distance between these two sides. That means the area of trapezium, which is given by sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are OA and BD. These are parallel sides, and multiplied by the perpendicular distance, that is this OC. This is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. So we will write it like S become 1/2 sum of parallel sides, that is OA plus BD into AC. Mark as it. Here students, here OA is equal to U and BD. What is BD? It is equal to V. Mark this as second. Now in the first class, or in the first equation, we have proved that V minus U is equal to 80. That means from there we will calculate the acceleration. We know what is acceleration. What acceleration is the slope of velocity time graph, or A is equal to slope of velocity time graph. It is BC divided by AC, tan theta. BC divided by AC. Now look here, dear student. BC, we will write this BC equal to BD minus CD. It is BD minus CD divided by AC. Or we will write A is equal to BD. Here BD, it is equal to V minus CD. CD is equal to OA. That's equal to U divided by AC, or AC, we'll write here AC is equal to V minus U divided by A. Mark this as third. Now dear student, equation first, it is OA plus BD. OA is equal to U, BD is equal to V, and AC is equal to this much. That means we will substitute equation second and third in equation first. We will get using equations second and third in equation first. We get what we will get: S is equal to 1/2 of OA, that is U, plus BD, that is V, into AC. AC is here. It is V minus U divided by A. Now dear student, we will multiply it. It will become S is equal to 1/2. First multiply by U, it is UV minus U square plus V square minus uv divided by a. Now here it is plus uv and minus v will cancel, or s is equal to, it is v square is plus u square is minus, that is u square divided by 2 into a, that is 2a, or 2a will multiply s, that is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So you have to prove this equation graphically, that 2as is equal to v square minus u square, hence prove. This is how we derive the equations of motion or kinematic equations regarding the uniformly accelerated motion. We have three equations: v minus u is equal to at, second is s is equal to ut plus 1 half at square, third one is v square minus u square 2as. These equations we have proved graphically. Now these three equations are also in your syllabus. Now we have to prove them using the calculus method. In future class, inshallah, we will prove these equations using calculus method. Thank you.